Hello everyone, Vlad is here, and today I'm going to talk to you about the 3D thermoplastic wall panels. This video will be made of two parts. First part, I'm going to show you how we're going to take off the panels that were installed about 5 years ago. I installed them 5 years ago. I'll show you the pictures of the installation, of initial installation. Now we decided to replace these panels. So right now I'm going to show you what will happen with the wall 5 years down the road. Now, to install the panels, generally to install you can use pretty much any type of construction adhesive. It can be PL, it can be normal nails, power grab, you name it. Pretty much anything that works with plastics will work with these panels. This is of course my favorite glue, and not just because of its terrific smell. This is a contact cement adhesive, the solvent-based one. The main reason I like it so much is, first of all, it's not much mess when you install it. When you put the panel on the wall, it's you apply very tiny amount with a foam roller, and nothing is squeezing out. It's quite easy to clean if some of it get under the panel, unlike for example PL. And the best part, if you decide later on to remove it, now you'll see the wall, which will be almost completely undamaged, unlike case of PL. Like if you install the panels on PL, it's a permanent installation, and once you decide to remove it, you will be, if not completely destroyed, it will be pretty badly damaged. So here we go. The first thing I'll take, of course, I'll unscrew the receptacle plates. And I will show you how easy it is to remove the panel. This is the back of the panel. This is the wall. As you can see, it's almost perfect. I can after I finish the removing of all panels, I'll start to install right away. I'll start to install the new ones. So keep watching. See you in a bit.